Hi everyone, welcome to the Tech Basis channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you one of the most popular Google search on how to use Slack is how to install Giphy on Slack. Adding Giphy to Slack is a great way to spice up your communication and add some fun to your conversation. Let's start by clicking up here in the company setting drop down. Here you go. Come to setting at administration and click on manage apps. Once I am in the Slack app directory, I can search for Giphy. I click add to Slack and then I get one more confirmation page. You could change the maximum rating setting if you want, but we are going to keep it for now. It's that easy. Let's go back to the Slack and see if it's working or not. Type the GIF you want to search. And send it. There you go, successfully added Giphy to Slack workspace. Now you can easily share GIFs with your teams to add some fun and personality to your communication. Follow this simple step and you will be sharing GIFs with your team in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.